start. As counsel for both the parties expressed their willingness to argue the matter finally at this stage, comma, we heard the appeal finally, full stop para. This appeal is preferred by the state of Madhya Pradesh against the judgment and order dated 10/5/2013 passed by the High Court in the petition filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 herein, full stop. The said petition was filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure within bracket hereinafter referred to as the code uncode for compounding oblique quashing of criminal proceedings arising out of crime number 171 oblique 13 under section 307 oblique 34 of IPC registered as police station, Kotwali, district Vidisha in bracket MP and consequent criminal proceedings bearing criminal case number 582 of 2013 pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Vidisha. Full stop. The FIR was registered at the instance of respondent number 3 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the complainant bracket close full stop para. The complainant in bracket respondent number 3, Deepak Ghainghat, son of Lakshmi Narayan Ghainghat, had alleged that on 11/3/2013 at about 9:45 p.m., while he was going to Baraipura Chauraha for buying gutkha for his mother, Deepak Naharia and Mukesh Naharia in bracket respondent numbers 1 and 2 met him near Sweeper Mohalla, Gully number 1, full stop. On being asked by respondent number 1, in an abusive language, as to where he was proceeded to, the complainant protested against the use of such foul language, full stop. At this, respondent number 1, took the sword which he was carrying and with an intention to kill the complainant, he inflicted a blow on his forehead by shouting, Code, you have lodged the report against my elder brother, today I will kill you. Unquote, full stop. Respondent number 1, thereafter, inflicted blows above the ear, on the back side of the head, and on the left arm, full stop. When the complainant informed that he would lodge a report with the police, respondent number 2 caught hold of him and threatened that if he lodges the report, then he would not let the complainant reside in the mohalla, full stop. By that time, brother of the complainant Suraj and one Preeti reached the spot and rescued the complainant, full stop para. On the same date, the complainant lodged FIR number 171 of 2013 at police station, Kotwali, Vidisha in bracket MP for the offence punishable under sections 307 of IPC read with section 34 of IPC, which triggered the criminal investigation, and complainant Deepak Ghainghat was sent for medical examination, full stop. Thereafter, on 12/3/2013, police reached on the spot and prepared the spot map, recorded the statement of the witnesses under section 161, arrested the accused persons and seized certain articles, full stop para. On 14/4/2013, articles which were seized were sent for forensic examination, full stop. After due and proper investigation, charge sheet was filed on 6/4/2013 for the offences punishable under sections 307 of IPC read with section 34 of IPC. The respondent filed miscellaneous criminal case number 3527 of 2013 before the High Court of Madhya Pradesh bench at Gwalior under section 482 of CRPC for quashing the criminal proceedings, arising out of the FIR number 171/2013 against the respondent on the basis of compromise, registered on 11/3/2013 under sections 307 of IPC, read with section 34 of IPC full stop para. The High Court has accepted the said compromise after taking note of the submissions made before it at the bar, and the fact that the complainant had also submitted that he did not wish to prosecute the accused persons as he had settled all the disputes amicably with them full stop. For quashing the proceedings, the High Court has referred to the judgment of this court in Shiji, alias Pappu, and others versus Radhika and another, 2011 within bracket 10 SCC 705 कोलन 2011 विदिन ब्रैकेट 4 CCSC 2137 कोलन 2012 विदिन ब्रैकेट 1 ACR 32 इन ब्रैकेट SC स्टॉप.